Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how we can, build a simple network of PySpark using the mllib called machine learning library to build a simple linear regression model. Here, what we are doing is, first of all, to run the Spark in the collaboratory, we need to first install all the dependencies in the Colab environment, that is Apache Spark and Hadoop. Java, and then to locate the Spark, then we have to locate the Spark in the system using Find Spark. Then we have to install the tools to be carried out inside the Jupyter notebook of the Collab. One important thing is, if you people are new in Spark, so it is better to avoid the earlier versions of Spark, that is 2.4.0 or any point 1 or any versions, because they are having some compatibility issues with Python. So we are going to install the latest version, which is 2.3, which is 3.3, Spark version 3. We're installing it, and we are installing it by using this command in this block. Then after installing the Spark and Java in the collaboratory, it's the time to set the environment path, which will enable you to run the PySpark in the collaboratory environment. For this, we have to set the location of the Java and Spark by running the following code. Sorry about this code, because this code is of the earlier versions of the Spark, which is 2.3 or 2.4. So just see this block. Um, we're importing the OS library also. Then we are running the local Spark session to test our installation. After this, we are ready to run the PySpark. So here we are running this simple linear regression model. First of all, we need to upload the dataset file. This is the dataset file, bostonhousing.csv. Then we have to check by this command. Then you will get this option, choose file. Then you have to select the file in your system and then upload it. Then by using this command, we are going to check if our dataset is uploading correctly or not. Now once we are done with uploading our dataset, we can go with analyzing. For a linear regression model, we need to import two models from PySpark, that is vector ensembler and linear regression. Vector ensembler is nothing but a transformer that assembles all the features into one vector from multiple columns that contain type double. Then we could have used string indexer if any of our columns contain string values to convert it into numeric values. But luckily in our data set, this contains only double values, so we don't need to worry about string indexer for now. Let me even show you in the data set. See this, every column contains the double value only, it doesn't contain any string indexer. See this, the entire dataset contains uh, the double value. Okay, then what we are doing is we are printing the schema info. Now we are going to use the info schema inside our data file. This info schema is enabling us to infer automatically different data types for each column. So now we are printing and looking the data set to see the data types of each column. You can see that. Now the next step is to convert all the features from different columns into a single column, and let's call this new vector column as attributes in the output column. Here you can see that we are calling the new column as attributes. This is the first top 20 rows. Then we are going here, you can see that the attributes are in the input features from all the columns, and medv is just the target column. So now we are going to split the training and testing data set into our data set by 80:20 ratio. You can see that we are splitting our data set into training and testing. Then we are showing the prediction of the first top 20 rows. Then what we are going to do is we are going to print the coefficients and intercept of the regression model by using these commands. You can see the coefficient and intercept of the model. After this, we are going to do the statistical analysis. Here in the PySpark, we have regression evaluator module. So we are going to import the regression evaluator module from the PySpark. Inside the PySpark, there is ML and then evaluation. PySpark.ml.evaluation. From this, we are going to import the regression evaluator module. Then we are going to print by this model, we are going to analyze this RMSE, MSE, MER2 values. RMSE is root mean square error values. We are going to print them. So this is how we are using the PySpark module. This is how we are just build the simple network of PySpark using Mllib library to print to predict make predictions using a linear regression model. So I hope you don't find any difficulty to understand this basic simple network. If you have any query or if you have any doubts, you can mail me on my email, which is provided below. So thank you for watching.